What's up, YouTube? Now, Shanna been wanting this dog called a Pomeranian, and it's called Pomeranian. Been looking for this damn dog everywhere. Found it. Alright, we're gonna surprise her. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little trick, say something wrong with Bella or Hennessy, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna surprise the dog on her. Alright, cute little dog, ain't it? Look at her. Yeah. Just a surprise for her. She's in college, trying to do good, get her life started. So she been wanting a dog. So here it is. All right. Cute little thing. Let's get started. Shanna, open the door, hurry up. Hennessy ain't moving. Everybody having a fit. Give a dog to him.
There is nothing wrong with Hennessy. Hennessy's doing fine, healthy and big as ever. Love y'all. Underdogs for life, baby. See y'all in the next reaction.